Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's pray and thanks to our God, Allah SWT, where giving us some necessary blessings so we can attend and gather in this place in good condition and happy situation. Secondly, I don't forget to say, salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, where guide us from darkness to brightness, from spirit to happiness, from the hidayah to sabikara. So, just directly to the presentation. Today in this class, in this time, I will present to you all about overall about UI UX design. But in here, I just tell about the point on the part what you need for make UI UX design. Okay, we start the presentation with about UI UX first. You should know what is UI UX. So UX or user interface and UX is user experience are two a crucial element in digital product that complement each other. UI focus on the visual appearance and such a button, colors, and layout. And the UX is more like the system of the UI. Okay, about the UX, about UI in here. Sorry, UI is focused in aesthetic and visual interaction. And the component, for example, is like typography, color palette, button icon layout, and animation, of course. Okay, so basically, today I want to just tell a little about design system. We go to design system first. What is design system? Design system is like for make easy to your design to your design. The system is called like color palette, typography, and component. Component here is like a button or other component. In here, I want to show you what is color palette, typography, and component. From the color palette, about color palette and function of UI at UI design. So color palette is like many color we saved in the system, and if we want to like change the color of the button or the background, just see at the system, and there is the color unit like blue, red, for make it easy. And some function other is improving visual hierarchy and focus. Second, improve readability and accessibility, and simplifying UI development. So with a color palette, you more easy to change the color at UI design. After color palette, we go to typography. What is typography? Typography is a text that is in one of design. The function of typography in UI design, we just focus in typography in UI design. It's make easy to you to type some various text types. And second, to make it easier to recognize text when design UI. For example, you have to type of your font, but you lazy to search other font. You just make the typography or the system for change the type of the text unit. Okay, after typography we have component, but in component I just focus at the button component. So in here, at easily UI design have a button. There's no one UI design. There's no button. There is a button. So with the component, you can make some group of the button, and you make it be one group. There is if you need some many button, you just change the color, like orange is like for the primary color, and this is outline color, and there is two again like dark color, and the name is delete button. in here too, you can change the button size like a large, medium, small, and extra small. Okay, after the function of the component, make design more easy. Of course, you can change the design what you need, and don't need to make again component. So if you not know what is component, before you know component, you just make a button like one frame, make again. But if you have a component, make a component, a simple component, and in a Figma, you just drop it to the frame and there is the button. Don't need to make design the component, just directly to the frame you drag from a system to frame, and can make many type of button. Like I tell before, there is a large type of button, and there is the many color. There is primary, outline, offline, and many again. There's medium, small, and extra small. But in component, not only the button, but you can make the like home in here. Oh, I forget the name what. Okay, after we know about the design system, I want to change uh, part of UI design. In here, I make some UI design. You can see in here, and I just put four part in UI design. There is intro page, onboarding, login page, or forget password, and some other part that's showed there is in UI design. So first is intro page. Intro page is the first layer that if you open the application, there's the loading, and that is was intro page. It's make like a logo. Usually, is the logo for you opening the app, and usually there's loading too in there. This is intro page. After intro page, there is onboarding. If you first to download some application, is make how to make your design is more interesting. This is onboarding. So onboarding is like add some what is the type of application. Like in here there is a food application, so you tell what is application need, like for deliver food or for buy some food online, and yeah, yeah, about the application lah. Okay, after onboarding, don't forget to make login, forget password, and verify account. It's for login page for make some account and to enter the homepage. Not only login, but forget password, and of course verify account if I already have account. After that, homepage and item review is a important one in UI design. There is a homepage and item review. Homepage is should there is, because if there is no homepage, how you can see the application, right? And of course, item review is important too. If like deliver food, you want to buy, you should know first what type of food or how the description of food, and this is item review. Okay, this some UI design that I already make. There is intro page, homeboarding, login, log out, verify account, and verify account, location, homepage, and item review. Okay, maybe that's all about my UI UX tutorial. And thank you very much for listening. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.